A lot of leaders fear silence. In order to sound impressive, they want to speak very fast, like a football commentator. But they end up filling their speech with uh, uh, or Our mind works much faster than we speak. So don't try to speak at the speed of thought. The truth is, when we use silence in your speech, it signals authority. Research shows that leaders who use pauses are perceived as more thoughtful and confident. Look at Barack Obama. His speeches are powerful not just because of the words, but because the way he pauses in his speech. When you use pauses after a key point, people process it. They appreciate and understand your point. When you speak too fast, all ideas muddle up and nothing creates an impact. Use pauses to add weight to your ideas and remove fillers from your speech. Are you filling silence or are you using silence?